Okay, we came came all the way to an Illinois cornfield to watch a football game. Oh no, that's not why we're here. We're here to watch Preston's rocket launch. There they're staging.
Stay there.
So we'll see it in a minute.
Support the rocket the whole way. Don't let the rocket rest on the rail, guys, because it's turn right on the field. Adam, would you go get us a pot? Plate's hot. Quick. Oh, I thought it was. Do we have part of the team ready to start going? I guess we're just going to launch it and you're going to walk from here. All right.
But a couple need to stay and watch.
So this is the AE100 SD, teams 1 and 2. It's a 38 modified 38 special carrying a 2 flip video cameras and a Parrot altimeter with barometric and accelerometer sensors on it. It's flying on a J350 composite motor with a long delay. Rocket's flying in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
It kind of looks like where is way up there?
Oh, I lost it.
Oh, man, it's way up there.
Oh, nice.
Where'd it go?
It's just like
Oh,
it's way up there.
Straight up.
Straight up. Look at it's red.
Red. Oh, get ready to walk.
Got some flame coming out of the back there.
Man, is that thing hanging up there? No, I lost it.
Low in the sky is it, Zach? What angle?
It's right.
What degree angle?
I don't know. I can't tell. 30 degrees maybe.
Okay.
Like straight. It's kind of low in the sky. It's like right in front of you.
Wow.
Coming down.
It's coming down. It's like a little
See the black vec straight up?
Oh, I see.
The car. See where the car is?
I'm
It's about to hit the
I'm
ground.
about to hit that car.
Just came in a cornfield. Just
Now you
it's in
can't
the
see
corn.
it.
Sure did.
It's at that.
Never mind. Here, tell
This might be a
Preston
wild
and
fight.
tell him. Call Preston and tell him it's over there. And that is it in that cornfield over there?
It's in the corn.
Okay, we'll call Preston and tell him.
Oh, that was a
Well, at least the next rocket, you know where it's going to wind up at.